Good morning, young prince, young princess. Are you up? It is time to rise and shine and start a new day. And I'm starting my day out here at the mouth of Moultrie Creek in the Intercoastal Waterway. And I am thanking God for this beautiful day. I'm thanking God for allowing me to have this day in this particular spot and to have the ability and the strength and the agility to paddle my kayak out here and enjoy it. I hope you guys, wherever you are, you're enjoying the morning too, and you're grateful for God being in your life, and that you're thankful that Jesus found you amid the rubble and rescued you. Always remember and never forget, He loves you just because you are you. That is the truth. I'm Mike Green, and I'm here to tell you the truth. God bless you guys.